Sickle cell disease is caused by a mutation in the piece of DNA or gene that contains the information that is needed to produce hemoglobin. Instead of normal hemoglobin A1, HbA1, your body will then produce hemoglobin S, HbS. Sickle cell disease is a hereditary blood disorder. If you have the disease, it will have been passed to you by both your parents. Many people are sickle cell carrier. Roughly 1 in 7 people from Africa, Suriname, or the former Netherlands Antilles, and 1 in 100 people from countries around the Mediterranean. A carrier is heterozygote. This means that the carrier has 1 normal gene and 1 abnormal gene that provides the code for hemoglobin production. A carrier does not have the disease. When both the father and the mother are sickle cell carriers, and both pass the sickle cell gene to their child, the child will be homozygote. This child will then have 2 sickle cell genes and consequently have sickle cell disease. When both the father and the mother are sickle cell carriers, but only one parent passes the sickle cell gene to their child, the child will, just like the parents, be heterozygote, and only be a carrier of the disease. The child will then not have sickle cell disease. When both the father and the mother are sickle cell carriers, it is also possible that neither parent passes the sickle cell gene to their child. The child will then be healthy and cannot pass the sickle cell gene to his or her children either. Both the father and the mother have 50% chance of passing their sickle cell gene to their child. The chance of them having a child with sickle cell disease is 25%, 1 in 4 children. The chance of them having a child that does not have the sickle cell gene is also 25%. The chance of them having a child that is a sickle cell carrier is 50%, 1 in 2 children. You have sickle cell disease and your partner is not a carrier. If you have sickle cell disease, you will always pass the sickle cell gene to your child. But since your partner does not have the sickle cell gene to pass to your child will not have the sickle cell disease. Your child will, however, always be a carrier. You have sickle cell disease and your partner is a carrier. There is a 50% chance of your child having sickle cell disease. You have sickle cell disease and your partner also has sickle cell disease. Your child will also have sickle cell disease.